How to fix Snapchat kicking you out. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can fix if Snapchat is kicking you out of the app and the account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, Snapchat kicking you out basically means Snapchat has limited you from using their website or their services, and in order to help solve this problem you have to understand why this happens in the first place. Snapchat usually limits a specific person's account if they notice some kind of spammy or unhuman-like behavior, which means you could have been spamming sending snaps to everybody, you could have been spamming trying to add friend from the quick add and everything else, and that could be one of the reasons why. And then if you want to go ahead and solve this, one of the primary things you can do is to simply change the IP address. And to change the IP address you can simply switch your Wi-Fi network. If you're using one Wi-Fi you can try to switch to another Wi-Fi, or if you have cellular data you can try to switch to cellular data, or if you don't have either of those you can simply open up your Play Store and then simply download a VPN app, connect to a VPN, and then try to log into Snapchat. This time when you want to log into Snapchat there are a couple of things to keep in mind. First of all, just go ahead and long press the Snapchat app icon, tap the I button, go to storage, clear cache, and also make sure to clear the data, and also make sure that the Snapchat app is updated to the latest version. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If it did help solve the issue, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, queries, or doubts, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.